Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to share your screen in Slack Huddles. Alright, let's begin. First, open Slack and log in with your email, Google, or Apple account. You can use either the desktop app or your browser. Both work for screen sharing. Once inside, head to the sidebar and click on Huddle. Select New Huddle and choose either a person or a channel to start with. If you're working with a team, starting the huddle in a channel keeps everything organized. After that, click Start a Huddle. A small pop-up will appear near your name at the bottom left corner. From here, locate the screen option. Click on it, then you'll see options to share either your entire screen, a specific window, or a browser tab. Pick the one you want and click Share. Everything on that screen will now be visible to participants, so be mindful of sensitive information. So that's basically how you can share your screen in Slack Huddles. That's it for this video. Thanks.